Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today we're going to talk about another Cybertruck that we just finished wrapping using TMaxx color change PPF. And this particular color is called Deep Ocean Metallic. The reason why it's called this color, as you can see, is because it's got a really dark, deep blue kind of hue to it, but then when the sun hits it, it's got this metallic sparkle. Kind of like when you're at the bottom of the ocean and it's really dark, deep blue down there, and then a ray of light comes in and it just kind of comes to life. So does this film. Absolutely stunning, a really nice shade of blue. I'm not a huge blue fan, although I do like this one. So as you can see, we wrapped all the stainless steel exterior panels using this film, and then we reapplied the Foundation Series badges in a custom color. This is something that we rarely do as well because normally it's satin black, gloss black, sometimes we use white. This customer wanted it to really pop and contrast using sand. Sand color vinyl film was used to recreate the Foundation Series badges for the front two fenders and for the rear tailgate. Interesting. Now let's talk about the wheels. This customer wanted to change them up as well. And as you can see, we used my personal favorite, the CTM wheel. It's a monoblock wheel, fully forged, finished in gloss black, but in 22-inch. As you guys know, I rock the 24s, 22s one size down, and it's a really good look, especially with these Falcon all-terrain tires, perfect fit. So the vehicle's been wrapped, Foundation Series reapplied, 22-inch wheels and tires front and rear, finished off with some really nice window tint from 3M, the ceramic IR film to go ahead and keep the interior cool and protect it as well as your skin. And this truck's all done. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so much more incredible Cybertruck content coming your way soon.